Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome back to the WPNN. My name is Bree.
And my name is Selena. It's a terrific day to be a Panther.
Panthers, are you interested in softball? There will be a softball information meeting for interested players.
The softball meeting will be this Wednesday, November 15 at 3 p.m. in room 2123.
Are you interested in basketball cheer? Tryouts will be this Friday, November 17th in the cheer room after school. Scan the code on this flyer for access to the virtual cheer clinic for November 13th through the 16th and learn the routine for tryouts.
You must have your sports physical evaluation paperwork to try out. If you have any questions, contact this email.
Do you need any holiday gifts for friends or families? Why don't you come and learn to crochet?
Crochet Club meets today at 3:45 in room 6101 with Ms. Sharp.
Did you know that Heritage has a Black Student Union Club, or BSU? All are welcomed, and if you are interested in finding out what it is all about, BSU meets this Thursday at 3:45 in room 6101 with Ms. Sharp.
Good luck to our boys soccer team as they travel to play against Astronaut High School. You got this, Panthers.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!